a Louis Vuitton, and so good places. Chanel. I can't even explain, literally. Alright, I guess we're gonna enter some of the shops. Prada. Yeah. I've seen something I really like. It's this Gule Infinite, you know, I'm a Minnie Mouse bracelet. It's so cute. I'm thinking to buy this. Oh my goodness! Look this. Look at that. Look it up. Look at this sky. How did you make this stop? Look at the sky. Look at this blue. What was it? So I got Starbucks coffee and it's sweet. It's caramel latte. But now we are at the beach. I don't know for what reason, but I didn't come prepared, y'all. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be going to Avenue Mall, one of the most biggest malls in Kuwait or the world. I don't know, but I'm gonna be showing you how is it from inside and outside. It's pretty big. I've gone there like 4 times, I guess. I don't know. And let's see what we'll see there. Come on. Now we're in the elevator. Come on.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue.
The weather is actually pretty hot. If I cannot even see to the sky, it's that hot.
Where are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
These elevators that made this. Yeah. I'll show you the walls. Look at these, so pretty. Let's go. Now I want to explain how pretty it is. Yeah. Look this. Look at that. Look it up. Look at this sky. How did you make this stop? Baba, how did you make this stop? How did you make it?
Come to fountain.
Yeah.
What?
Guys, have you seen that? There's so beautiful places. Prada, Chanel, Dior. Oh my God, Louis Vuitton. And so good places. Chanel. I can't even explain, literally. Alright, I guess we're gonna enter some of the shops. But not yet, not yet, not yet. Prada. Prada.
Speak also.
Yeah. What's this brand called? I don't know. It's gray and black. It's metal. But this is so different. So pretty. It's oh my God. Guys, look at this. Wait, this is a huge surprise for you all. It's like an outer city, but it's indoors. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how pretty it is. Alright. Oh my goodness. Literally all. 3, 2, 1. And go. Look at this.
But we'll go this way and then come back.
Now we are in Little Phase 4. It's actually in Avenue. It's like whole London. I don't know which country type is this. But everything is so cute. The bakeries and the flow. It's so realistic. I don't know how. It's such a pretty area, I can't even explain. Oh my God. Guys, Baba.
Mani.
It's on discount.
Really?
Yeah, I'm purchasing something. 30% discount.
Can you show me?
Yeah, the uncle literally said was. I watched Moana. So we are in the Disney store and they're so pretty, so I can't even explain. Like, seriously, I can't even explain. Look at these cute shoes. And Cinderella. This is, I don't know, this is Snow White, that is Rapunzel. So we are now at the Disney store and I am looking for something to buy. I've seen something I really like, Baba. I'm gonna show them. Wait, I've seen something I really like. It's this cute infinite, you know, I'm a Minnie Mouse bracelet. It's so cute. I'm thinking to buy this. I'm gonna show you a place. It's like a Disney area. I don't know these people, but I have seen this movie. These are like so cute. I know the name, but I forgot it. Costumes and blah blah blah. I'm gonna show you a place. Like, look at this. I've watched this movie, this and this. Look.
lot of view.
Let's go. So this is a brand called Sephora, and we are going to go in it to buy my sister something, because she said I want something for my birthday. So let's see what she gets. Sephora. Boba, see that machine over here? So I actually Bobby. I've seen this game that you actually pay on there in that machine. You lie on there and then they give you 20 seconds to get as many as balls you can. Did you hear? Look at the alien. There's even a room, Baba. Look at the sky. Look at this room. Baba, see the room? Baba, I want to ask you something. Small houses type. Can you go inside?
Where?
Inside those small type of houses. Can you go inside? So I got Starbucks coffee and it's sweet. It's caramel latte. So we are at Food Hub. I forgot to film on the Food Hub. But now we are at the beach. I don't know for what reason, but I didn't come prepared, y'all. But see that building? We are in Kuwait City right now, and we are at the beach, and it's pretty hot, plus cold in the water, which is there are people literally swimming out there. Let me show y'all. Alright, look at those people out there, and I hope you've seen that building. So it's the end of the day, and I hope you guys like the whole tour today. We went to the beach, we went to Avenue. It was such a beautiful place. I recommend you to visit that. So it was the end of the day, means end of the video, and going to the Avenue Mall was so worth it. I recommend you all to visit Avenue Mall if you get a chance, and I hope you like my video. Subscribe to my video for more exciting videos, and bye!